How does one create unplanned breakdown maintenance work orders on equipment? You can do this by creating a new unplanned maintenance work order, or have a non-maintenance user submit a work request that you can convert into a work order. To create a new unplanned maintenance work order, go to the Main tab on the home page. Click on the new link next to Work Orders and follow the prompts. What about work requests? Non-maintenance personnel can be made to belong to the Basic Users Group. Members of this group can by default submit work requests and check work status using the Tools tab available on the home page. They will not be able to modify or view most other maintenance data. On the Submit Work Request page, they specify the equipment location and the type of unplanned maintenance task that needs to be done. If they select an equipment, the task list gets refreshed to only show unplanned frequency tasks that you have associated with that equipment. For your convenience, there is a default unplanned task called Any Other Maintenance that can be requested with any equipment or location. Once they submit work requests, you as an administrator can convert them to work orders or reject them. In the System Configuration page available under the Home Page Administration tab, you can choose to be alerted when a work request is submitted. You can also turn on receiving of emailed work requests here. To review work requests in the home page on the Main tab, select the All link next to Work Requests. This will give you a list of work requests. Click the Edit button to edit a request. You can assign the request to a work order or cancel it if it is similar to other requests by changing the request status. Click on the Browse button to search for an existing work order and enter it in the work order number field. Otherwise, you can click on the Create button to assign the request to a new work order created from the request. Planned preventative maintenance work orders are automatically scheduled from task settings. However, work order numbers are not yet assigned. You still have to run planning to create them or manually create each work order. Planning is available under the Reports tab on the home page. Run planning to create work orders and email print planned breakdown work orders to technicians. You have the option to modify or cancel work orders before emailing or printing. If you want FastMaint to run planning automatically to email pending work orders and overdue reminders, go to the System Configuration page found under the Administration tab in the home page. Check off the option to email out pending work orders and reminders. Once maintenance technicians receive the work orders and complete them, you have to update the work orders with their feedback and close them. There are a few ways to do this. Update the work orders one by one. On the home page, Main tab, click on the All link next to Work Orders to see a list of work orders. You can locate the work order using different selection criteria. Open it and update it. Update multiple work orders at a time using Fast Feedback. On the home page under the Tools tab, Click on the Fast Feedback link to get the Fast Feedback page. Enter your criteria and get a list of matching work orders. You can click on check boxes to close the work order and save your changes. Or click on the Edit button next to the work order to open and edit it. If you email out your work orders to maintenance personnel and they send back email or text message replies, closing and updating work orders, you can use the email processing feature in FastMaint to update and close these work orders. If FastMaint Web has been set to run planning automatically in the System Configuration page, it will also automatically process these email responses after it has emailed pending work orders and overdue reminders. If you have not turned on this automatic planning and emailing, you can manually process such email or text responses. Go to the Email Processing page available under the Tools tab on the home page. In the Email Processing page, click on the Receive Email button to receive email. Then, click on the Process Email button to process the email and update the work orders based on the received email responses. Some email messages may be errors. For example, a bounced email because a maintenance person's email address was incorrectly entered. The work order number was missing from the reply, and so on. You can fix or delete such errors.